Tell them what an island is.
Welcome to Winfield Elementary, where today we'll be spending time with a second grade class and learning about landscape and ancient cultures. Come with us.
So let's make a guess. How does the water move over a landscape? Take your pencil and write your words, your own words.
Tell us a little bit about the class today, the skills that you've been developing with them leading up to the activity.
So we started a unit about land and water and science, and so we've been talking about the different landforms, different landscapes we see on those landforms, bodies of water, things like that. But also in CKLA, we've been talking about ancient civilizations and how a lot of those civilizations are formed around valleys of mountains and things like that. So the connections that they're making with the two different content areas are great. Look over here. I have on a plate all the colors we would use. What do you think the browns are for? What about the orange?
Sun.
What do you think this is for?
I know.
The sky?
I know.
Water, that's right.
I'll do the water. I'll put grass. Give me that.
Tell us a little bit about the activity today then and how that kind of
Sure.
accumulated into this.
We're just developing those concepts with the Play-Doh. They're developing the mountains and the valleys and the plains and the hills, and utilizing what we've learned also about maps and the colors and how the land forms are shaded in different colors based upon elevation or different things like that on the maps, and they had a lot of fun doing it.
We need the valley ramping down. I got a great idea. That looks like it's inside. We need water like almost. Wait, there's more water. You have to take off tiny pieces.
What did you like about the activity that you did in there today?
Because we gotta just make our own unique thing and let it go down and estimate what it will be when it comes down.
When you were working with your group today, what did you work on?
We made a canyon and then we put like a big flat thing that was blue, and then we put some green over it to look like there was land by the canyon. Then we did a lot of mountains with snow on it.
And what part did you work on?
We all did a little bit of everything.
Oh yeah, well that's good. Okay, so they predicted it may run off on all sides. We'll have to see.
Oh my gosh, it's working. It's working. It's already melting. It's coming. Why does the ice look like it's coming?
Your prediction was that it would run down the waterfall, right?
Mm-hmm.
And was that correct?
Yeah.
How do you know that? What happened?
So when it was the ice was melting on top of the mountain, it went down the waterfall, and then it went into the hole that is a pond.
Oh, that actually has a lot of water.
You've talked a lot about all the different activities that led up to this, the different skills the kids have to utilize.
Yeah.
What's the practical application?
I think just understanding where we live, understanding our environment, understanding where you're going, how land changes, but also I think the big one for me is making those connections between ideas. We made that connection between ancient civilizations and maps and land, and just being able to be just a well-rounded individual.
Thanks for joining us for another edition of Super Things. We'll catch you next time.